In this video, I'll show you how to set up alerts on an indicator in Tradingview. First, sign in to your Tradingview account and open the chart you want to monitor. Make sure the indicator you want to use is already added to the chart, since alerts can be created based on its values or signals. Next, click the Alert button on the top toolbar, or right-click directly on the indicator if that option is available, and choose Add Alert. The Create Alert window will open, where you can configure exactly when you want the alert to trigger. After that, select the indicator as the alert condition. Choose the specific event you want to monitor, such as the indicator crossing a certain value, moving above or below a level, or generating a signal if the indicator supports it. Then configure how often the alert should trigger. Set an expiration date if needed, and customize the alert name so it's easy to identify later. Now choose how you'd like to receive notifications. Depending on your account and preferences, you can enable app notifications, email notifications, browser notifications, SMS where available, or webhook notifications for automated workflows. Review all of the settings one final time to make sure the alert behaves exactly the way you want. Finally, click Create to activate the alert. You can monitor, edit, pause, or delete your alerts at any time by opening the Alerts panel in Tradingview. Regularly reviewing your active alerts will help you stay informed about important market movements without constantly watching the chart. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up alerts on an indicator in Tradingview. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.